Hello, I'm Teacher Julie. Today I am going to read you a story called Planets. Planets, Level 2. What's a planet? Circle, circle in the sky. You're bright enough to catch my eye. You're not a star, but a place where gas or rocks swirl in space. Space clues. Yes, something that has no shape or size of its own. Gas can spread out into the space around it. Star, a huge ball of hot gas that has made heat and light. Hello, planets. When you look up high in the night sky, you might see lots of bright lights. Most of these lights are stars. Most stars have planets moving around them. Planets around create their own objects that orbit a star. They don't create their own light. They only reflect light from stars. What did two stars say to each other on Valentine's Day? I glow for you. Space clues. Orbits. The path an object follows around another subject, such as a star, reflect to bounce back. The sun is our star, our planet. Earth orbits the sun. The sun makes a lot of heat and light. The sun, don't look directly at the sun. It would hurt your eyes. Its surface is about 100 times hotter than a hot summer day. It's also very big. 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. Earth. Our solar system. Our sun and Earth are part of what we call our solar system. There are 8 big planets and 5 small dwarf planets and 5 small dwarf planets in the solar system. Each planet orbits the sun. The strong pull of the sun's gravity holds the shapes in orbit, which keeps them from floating away. Gravity is the same force that makes a baseball fall to the ground when you drop it. The sun and the 8 big planets in our solar system. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Space clues. Gravity, an invisible force that pulls objects toward a planet or star. The inner planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are in the hotter part of our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These planets are the 4 closest to the star. Sun. They are made of rock and metal. Your planet Earth. Earth is the 3rd planet from the sun. The planet we call home spins at just the right distance from the sun. It's far enough away to be not too hot, yet close enough so it's not too cold. Here, the conditions are just right for life. Plants and trees, sea animals, land animals. What did Neptune say to Saturn? Give me a ring sometime. The gas giants, Saturn rings. The gas giants do not have a hard surface like the rocky inner planets. Beyond the rocky inner planets, there are 4 gas giants. They are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These huge planets are made of big clouds of gas and liquid. Gravity pulls the gas and liquid into a planet shape. All gas giants have rings. The rings are made of mostly ice and dust. Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus. Dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are planet-like objects that are part of our solar system. They're much smaller than regular planets. Ceres, Pluto, Earth. This is called make-make. Invisible make. A dwarf planet can be round or egg-shaped. Unlike regular planets, dwarf planets may share our orbit with other space objects. This dwarf planet is shaped like an egg. Homey. Amazing planets. These planets are really out of this world. Weirdest spin, Uranus. This planet spins on its side, rolling it like a barrel instead of a top. Windiest weather, Neptune. Winds in Neptune blow much faster than Earth's strongest hurricanes. Longest lasting storm, Great Red Spot. Jupiter, the Great Red Spot, is a hurricane on Jupiter. It has been blowing for more than 4,400 years. This many. Hottest planet, Venus. This is the solar system hottest planet. Even thought it is not the closest to the sun. A thick layer of gas around Venus makes it super hot. Tallest mountain, Mars. Mars is the home of the solar system's largest volcano, called Olympus Mons. It is as tall as 3 Mount Everests stacked up. Olympus Mons, Mount Everest. Moons galore. Some planets, like Earth, have moons that travel with them. Moons are objects made of ice or rock that orbit a planet. Some planets have no moons. Some have many. Jupiter has more than 16. Jupiter and 4 of its moons. Jupiter. Saturn has a giant moon called Titan. It is one of the largest moons in the solar system. This is even bigger than the planet Mercury. Earth's moon, Mercury, Titan. Our moon, Earth, has only one moon. These appears large and bright in the night sky. Astronauts first walked on the moon more than 40 years ago. They left footprints in the dirt. There is no water on the moon to wash or blow them away. Those footprints are still there. Space clothes, weather. The changing conditions that can include temperature, rainfall, wind, and clouds. Astronaut Buzz Aldrin walks on the moon in 1969 as part of an Apollo 11 mission. Why couldn't the astronaut book a room on the moon? Because it was full. Exploring space. Many ways of studying planets. One is to visit them. Humans can't visit other planets yet, but we can send robots to explore them for us. Rocket blasts off from Cape Canaveral, Florida. It is heading to Mars. A drawing of a rover on Mars. Robots called rovers have been sent to Mars. The rovers carry cameras and tools. They can take photographs and videos too. The rovers send information back to Earth about what they see. How did the rocket lose its job? It get fired. There are other ways to learn about planets too. Powerful telescopes allow us to see planets and moons with a day or far away telescope. A drawing of a space probe that flew near Jupiter. Space probes also collect information about planets. These spacecraft take pictures. They measure light and temperature too. With this tool, scientists make exciting discoveries about other worlds. What will we learn next? It was planets. 구독과 좋아요 꾹꾹 눌러주세요. 바이바이.